So here I am, I'm back, but maybe not as quickly as I'd been hoping. So as promised, I'm going to be doing the wolf. I did have 2 copies of this, and this will be my template to put all the parts on. The other one has been cut out into pieces and stuck down onto the wood that I'm going to be using. 36 pieces altogether. So let's get going. Hi, I'm Judy, and if you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. And this has been my biggest challenge by far. At the end, I was really disappointed, but there was a silver lining, so stay to the end and find out what this is. I'm finding these small parts really fiddly on a thick wood with a size 12 blade. So here we have it. All the pieces are cut out, and here we have the wolf with all the pieces of the jigsaw put together. So now, down to the sanding. So here I'm just going to start sanding some more of the pieces. Having used 5 different stains, I'm now doing a dry fit. So here you can see the finished product. Am I happy with it? Not 100%, but what I've learnt from it is amazing. So after I'd finished the wolf, I wasn't completely happy. So I decided to put it on the group chat and get some honest opinions back. I was actually quite surprised. And my sister actually fell in love with him. So I've gifted him and he's off to Kent.